Apparo tutorials. Embedding business cases. The second part of the Link to Cognos Analytics series, of the Apparo tutorial videos, deals with the embedding of master detail apps. We pick up where we left in the last video. First we create space for the detail app. We switch to the edit mode, and reduce the height of the table view, which serves as master in this example. The new height shall be 450 px. Then we confirm with OK, and add another HTML item for the detail view. We drag it to the desired position, and open it with a double click. Then we go to the Apparo Designer, to copy the required expression. We open the edit view of the detail app, and go to menu, Link to Cognos. Under Link into Cognos Report, we scroll down to the last possibility, which can be used to connect embedded business cases. There are two HTML strings. The first one is used in the master view, to call the detail view. And the second one is used, in the HTML item of the report. We copy it and switch again to the report. And paste the copied string there. Then we set a unique frame name. For example, detail window. Then we change height and width, to 320, and 800 px. We confirm with OK, and save our changes. We've prepared the container, that will show the detail app. Next, we will create the hyperlink in the table view. We switch again to the Apparo Designer, and copy the first HTML expression. Then we close this business case, and open the edit view, of the table business case. Here we will replace the product name, with the hyperlink for the detail view. We set the product name to hidden, and create another edit widget. Click on Add, Edit Widget. Here we need the widget type, label with variables. This widget allows the output of text, HTML, and variables. We paste the copied string here, and replace the target identifier, with the name we used before. Detail window. Then we replace the placeholder of the primary key 1 parameter, with the widget reference variable of the primary key column, product ID. We use then the product name as link label. And enter Open Details as column header. Finally, we move the link to the same position as the product name. We save the changes, and go back to the report. We will do the first test run now. We click on blue cap, and the corresponding detail window is shown. Then Sydney 2, and the details are shown too. The last feature we want to have, is the automatic update of the master view, when the data in the detail window has been updated. We go back to the Apparo Designer, to the tab, Link to. We copy from the description text, the JavaScript method, refresh embedded BC. Then we go to the user scripts folder of the Apparo installation. With a right-click we create a new text file, and rename it to refreshmaster.js. We edit the file, and paste the copied JavaScript there. We replace the iframe ID with master window, and the business case placeholder, with my first table BC. We don't have to pass any parameters, and can leave an empty string there. Each JavaScript command must be closed with a semicolon. After that, we can save and close the script. We enter the editing view of our detail window again. Our script should update the master view when data is changed. For this we add another feature, the post-update execution. We find it under Automatic Scripts and Database Procedures. We select the just created script. And save the business case again. We switch back to the report, and make the last change. We have used in the script as frame ID, master_window. So we have to use the same name here. Time for the final test run. We select the details, and change for example the comment. Then we confirm the changes with OK. And see that the master view is updated automatically. We now see the changed comment in both views. Questions? Send an email to support@apparo.solutions.